Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on political content control on Instagram. So for you to do that, you have to open your Instagram on your phone. Once you have it open, then you click on the profile icon, then you click on the 3-line icon on your profile, then you scroll down. Okay, good. You scroll down, try and look for it. Okay, alright, this is it. Then you click on search and suggested content. Alright, good. Then you click on political content, and from here you can limit the numbers of political content or the videos or the video or content that are made of political topics or social topics about political content. You see them less on your Instagram, so which is the limit part of it. Limit political content from people you don't follow, which is limit it, and that is it.